So we going to the damn bank. You know what I'm saying? Trying to see if I got some money in my damn account. I don't know. Probably not. You know what I'm saying? All this shit we having to pay. All these damn bills, diapers and shit. Nigga don't never have no motherfucking money to itself. Shit. Goddamn book. But we gonna go down here and see if I can get some money out the goddamn bank. It's hot as fuck though. It really, really, really is. Oh, should I just pass goddamn Four Amigos? That small ass car. Walking. Y'all sitting there wondering what the fuck I'm doing. This is G goes to the bank. And you know what I mean? Shit, like I said, we just finna go to the bank and see if I can withdraw some shit. Probably not. But we gonna see. Shit. Joan down here at the what's name. Go down here and fuck with them. We passing the bank. I just realized I ain't got no money. But we go down here and holler at Subway real quick. See if they got some good specials going out. It's one long ass walk though from the dealership. You know. So I know y'all probably sitting there wondering like, why the fuck is he coming up with these mini documentaries? Nobody really cares what the fuck where the fuck you going. But I don't know. It's just something that just hit me one day. It's like, why don't I just start filming everywhere that I fucking go? And just take it from there. Post it up and see what people say. So, this is what we're gonna do. Let me put my black down. Let me talk about don't smoke it in public. Joe here. They with this food now. You know. So you see this food.
What time you get out?
Whatever time
Straight hold you up, huh?
What up, man?
You just kind of,
Just chill.
alright.
Just chill. That's all. What time you get off?
I was in the bank at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Alright. Man, stop by the dealership, man.
Alright.
Alright.
This home, bro.
Alright.
Tell you then, I said what's up.
Okay.
I'm gonna be back there when I come back there.
Alright. Look at all the people. And they lunch, look at that there. You want this lunch? Look at all these people eating their lunch. See where else we gonna go? Look at these white folks. See that? White folks. Look at this, see? Only in Pleasant Grove, dog. Only in Pleasant Grove where you had this shit out here. You couldn't do this shit in the hood. You really could. Should steal me one of these drinks, goddamn. Damn, big ass Pepsis and shit. I should, huh? You might need some charcoal. You know we like barbecue. But shit, that's just, regular dumb shit that I do. I really ain't got no reason to it. I just do it just to do it. I know y'all probably wonder. Well, we wanted to see what was in your bank account. Not a damn thing. Not a motherfucking thing. Holla at my ass goddamn on Friday. Thursday at midnight, goddamn. A nigga gonna have some good ass chicks sitting in his goddamn once now. ain't really got shit. Not today. It be embarrassment to even swipe my damn card somewhere, you know what I'm saying? That shit gonna say, motherfucker, denied. Nigga, you know you ain't got no damn money. With your broke ass. I swear. As much money as I make, nigga be broke, goddamn. Broke as hell. Don't rob me one of these motherfucking white people, though. Standing out here in Pleasant Grove. No, these motherfuckers got some money. Like this old that lady right here. Bitch, get off your phone before I rob your ass. In broad daylight. My first class auto sales t-shirt on. So, we headed back. We ain't really got shit else to talk about. So, I mean, this video did start out as G goes to the bank. But then G saw his homeboy. I was like, shit, G just finna take this bitch to Subway. Then white people was in there, they was tripping. I couldn't really talk to them. You know how white people live. 400 years later of straight oppression. Motherfuckers still don't want people to talk to each other. You know what I'm saying? But shit, that's it, man. I'm out. Yeah.